Hello everyone, welcome to the video on grid challenge. Okay, so I'll tell you what is this. This is, you can say, it is one of the easiest game in terms of, let's say, when the student is uh, playing it, or you can say solving it, and he or she thinks he is doing it right, but at times he or she goes wrong. It is a memory based game. What happens, I'll tell you. There's going to be a grid, or maybe you can say an arrangement of maybe some white balls are going to be shown. This is one of the ways, and it can differ as well, but I'm going to give you an example like this. And then in the next subsequent slide, a few, let's say one by one, let's say not few, let's say one of the ball is going to be shown colored. Now you need to remember the position and the color of the ball. The color of the ball definitely, because it's only one with which is going to be shown, but the position you need to memorize. And then in order to distract you, there's going to be a question in between, a simple question which you have to answer a yes or a no as the software is going on. And then subsequently another ball is going to be shown, colored ball is going to be shown, not the previous one, at a different position. And then again a slide is going to be shown wherein the question would be straightforward once again, yes, no, though you need to get them right as well. Okay. uh, and then another ball is going to be colored ball at some other position is going to be shown, followed by, let's say, again a yes no question. In the final slide, a position of a few balls, colored balls, might be changed, and the options are going to be based on that, as in which position is changed, which colored ball is at a different position, or maybe which ball does not change the position. So such is the question. So it is like observation and memory, that is what they are checking over here. Okay. I'll show you with example. Okay, let's say this is my first slide shown, and I can very well see where is my this colored ball over here. Okay, so I have a colored ball over here. You can very well see it is over here. Okay, now the point is it's a software driven game, so this is going to be only be shown like for 5 seconds. There's a flash of 5 seconds, you need to remember it. Okay. Now at some point of time, students might be taking the help of, let's say, you can see if I do it like this, it is like not in the top row, not in the second, it is in the third row, and it is over here at the right. So either you try to number it in terms of an array, or you try to just recollect in the memory. Okay, so it's over here. Next subsequent slide, as I was telling you, is going to be like again a 5 seconds one where you have to say whether it's a yes or a no, and you need to, mind you, you need to do it correctly for sure. So it says, is it symmetrical? Do you think left side is symmetrical to the right side? No. So answer no. Go to the subsequent slide. And the subsequent slide, now you can see, is another ball has been shown, a yellow ball. Now in some of the questions, it may be possible that once this was shown before, it is not going to be shown now. Okay, and only the yellow ball is going to be shown. Right now, to make things simple, I am showing you both the balls at the moment. Okay, so try to memorize where they are. Okay. Again, it is going to be followed by a yes, no. Is it symmetrical? This time it's a yes. I'll mark it, move on. Okay, there is one new ball. So yellow ball is not shown now, but instead a black is shown over here. Okay, and it retains the position of the first ball. Okay, fine. Okay, again, a yes, no question. Is it symmetrical? No. Okay. And then finally, what will happen? Finally, we can see all the three colored balls have been shown. So which one did maintain its position? Options are going to be based. So let's say if I ask you, did it change position? So it was very simple one, you would say no, it did not change position. Did it change position? Yes, it did change position. Did it change position? Yes, it did change position. Sorry, I must write yes. And what was the position? You would very well say they have reversed. So this was a simple one to start off. But mind you, the complexity of the game can be, it is not like this is as simple as going to be like this. But I wanted to tell you and I wanted to show you what the game looked like. So I have taken a very simple example. Now, mind you, it can be anywhere. Anywhere would mean even the yellow ball could have been over here, even the black ball could have been here. And it may be possible that the black ball retained its position and only the yellow ball changed. Or maybe the black ball just changed a little. When it will change only a little, then it's going to be a problem. When it is going to be like a transition, what I showed you was a, let's say, a big transition. So you will be able to decipher it correctly. That's not a big deal. But when the transition is going to be subtle, then the problem would be more. Okay. So otherwise a very simple game. But yes, it is demanding on observation and memory, and things can go weird. So please be focused and try to remember the position of the ball. So this is otherwise a very simple game, and please don't make a mistake on it. Okay, fine. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you are enjoying watching the videos on Cape Gemini. Please make it a point you see each and every video. Okay, so that all the 8 games are covered. Thanks for watching the video.